Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create attendance Excel sheet for your students. I use it weekdays, you can use entire months. Now let's start. First, select this weekdays, then from home, go to conditional formatting, new rule, come to here, icon sets, show icon only, then change it from person to number, add number 1, okay? Change this icon to this one to this, and for leave I selected this one. Good. Just okay. Now if I add 1, appears like this. If I add 0, appears like this. If I add -1, it become like this. Now I want to delete this. Good. Add equal sign, count if, select this range, okay, comma, then 1 in attendance, close the bracket, divide by number of days, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4, 5, just 5. Good. It's 20%. For this one, I want to fix the cell, $sign. For this one also, $sign, enter. If I bring to here, it becomes 20% again, but I want to change this one for absence. It is 0. Okay. For leave, I have to change it to -1. Okay. Now if I change this one to 1, you see it become 40%. This one, for example, 0. This one become 40 and this one 20. I want to fill this color by this one to this. Okay. Now just drag to here. Good. If I add absence, for example, this student, I add 1, directly it become 1, 0. For example, at Tuesday it's absent, he is absent, and here it is leave it this class, and here is ready. That's all. Have a nice day.